Hi Darian, I'm standing in 71 Sawmill Run Road. The listing that I just sent you earlier this morning. Beautiful home, lots of opportunities, huge home as well, but it does need some TLC. It is it's not a foreclosure, it is a short sale, and it looks like the owners haven't done anything with this house for quite some time. But big open space, so this is a little den area or sitting area of the main living room, and staircase going upstairs to 3 bedrooms upstairs, master bedrooms in the main floor, wide open floor space between a living area, dining room, and kitchen. It's decorated. It comes as you see it with all the furniture included for the sale of this price or of this home.